I'm up early because I have my group call, my Irish group call this morning at 6. So I have literally 5 minutes to get this food into me. Giddy up. Alright, group calls and whatnot done for this morning, breakfast had, so I'm going to head down to the river, maybe do a little bit of a daily crack and take you guys along with me. Well, it's definitely a wee bit on the colder side today for sure, but when the sun is out it's nice. So yeah, listen, always in the morning I'm out for some sort of a walk, whether it's a long walk or a short walk down to the river here. The Westgate Bridge is probably one of my favourite pieces of architecture here in Melbourne. I don't know why, I just fucking really like it. I know for a fact that a lot of Irish people helped in the construction of the bridge, and back in 1970, I think it was 71 or 72, a part of the bridge itself actually fell down and killed, I think it was 32 of the construction workers, a lot of them Irish, so there's a bit of a connection there as well, and it's nice. It's a nice spot just down the road from my house where I can go and just chill and sit and set myself up for the day. Really, that's what it's about, getting out for a little bit of a walk and sitting by the river. It's taking a bit to get the old camera in focus, but yeah, Melbourne and the Westgate Bridge. Back from a walk now, and it's time for breakfast number 2. Eggs and salmon. Getting fucking fancy. So I have a bit of a mixture of creatine and dextrose in the morning with orange juice and water. Get that ready because today I'm training back and it's a training day. So creatine is one of those supplements, dextrose, that I really like. Finish up my work for this morning, head for a bit of a walk with a friend and to the gym. Back day, got the straps on today now because of the wonky fingers from the catching my hand in the door yesterday in the fucking garage. But yeah, listen, it should be all grand. The hand doesn't feel too bad. I'm looking forward to this. Got my walk in just before this now as well with Kate, so I'm warmed up. Little bit of fucking Magic Men practice as well. Ready to kick it in the dick. Let me show you how to use straps. Using the straps. So this is the way the strap obviously works. Hand through the loop. Tighten it on the wrist. The tail of the strap should be always going over the thumb. That's the easiest way to know it's on the right way. Then fingers go around the bar, or the handle, barbell, whatever it is. You'll wrap the wrap underneath towards you. And what you should be able to do is actually crank it. Crank it on, like, as I always like to say, like you're revving a motorbike. And then all you need is fingertips. You don't even need to grip the bar, just fingertips on the belt, and you're locked in. Oh, Mark, what's the crack, buddy? How are you going? Killing it, doing my best. Damien. Yeah. What are you training today? Oh, right, okay. Here to get jacked. Yeah, good man. It's a good day for us, isn't it? Yeah, good man. Well, listen, you enjoy the session, right? Do you want this? No. You got it?
No, let's get that tree.
Perfect. Yeah. 100%, lad. Oh, you can take it. Yeah. Sorry. No, it's okay. I'm hugging too many benches. Yeah, that's what it's about. Back and arms. Pretty solid. Old school combination. You can't go wrong. Obviously, all pull motions you're doing is working the bicep as well. So you as well pair them up. Just works out better that way. Well, it's my favourite way of setting it up. Since the days out at Westgate training with Steve Urgel, that was the way I've done it. And that's probably going back now 12, 13 years. Back in biceps, still get done. Well, apart from my little CrossFit couple of years there where there was no biceps at all done. Just kipping motorised pull-ups, pretty much. Giddy up though, good crack. Fucking hell. That's me done and dusted for another day in the gym. I reckon take myself down to Williamstown now and fucking dip me water. Dip me balls in the water. That'll be ideal for disinfecting me. I think it's what I need at this stage. Giddy up.
Where you got a camera going? Hey?
Yeah, it's all going.
I don't think it's low battery. It's low battery. It's not on.
Woo! Holy hell! It's getting colder, for sure. Alright boys and germs, that's me going to sign off for today. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Look at the head on this. I'm going to have a shower, get some food into me, chill out, watch a movie tonight, and that's it. If you enjoyed the vlog, as always, what will help this channel move on, move forward, whatever the fuck you want to call it, like and subscribe. Giddy up!